AI tools are genuinely useful, but it is worth understanding what you should keep private when you use them. Not out of fear, but out of the same sensible caution you would use anywhere online. Let us go through this calmly and practically. First, the important thing to understand. When you type something into many AI tools, that information may be stored and in some cases may be used to help train the AI further. It is not a private diary. Think of it more like writing something on a computer owned by a company, because that is essentially what it is. So here is what I would gently advise you to keep to yourself. Do not share sensitive personal identifying details, your full bank account numbers, your passwords, your national insurance or social security number, your full home address combined with other identifying details. These are the things you would protect anywhere, and AI tools are no exception. Do not paste in confidential information that is not yours to share. If you work with sensitive company information or you have access to other people's private details, those should not go into a public AI tool. Many workplaces now have clear rules about this for exactly that reason. Do not share deeply private personal matters you would not want stored anywhere. Sensitive health details, private family matters, anything genuinely confidential. Be thoughtful. It is not that something terrible will necessarily happen. It is simply that once you have typed it into a company's system, you have less control over it than you might assume. Now, I do not want you to become anxious about this. Using AI to help word an email, explain a concept, or plan your week is completely fine and involves nothing sensitive. The caution applies specifically to genuinely private, identifying, or confidential information. Here is a simple rule of thumb that keeps you safe without overthinking it. Before you type something in, ask yourself, would I be comfortable if this ended up stored on a company's computer somewhere? If yes, go ahead. If it makes you hesitate, leave it out or describe it in a general way without the sensitive specifics. There is also a practical tip worth knowing. Many AI tools now have a settings option to turn off the use of your conversations for training, and some offer a private or temporary mode. It is worth looking in the settings of any tool you use regularly and choosing the more private options if they matter to you. The goal here is not fear. It is simply being a sensible, informed user, enjoying everything AI is genuinely good for while keeping the truly private things private. That is all it takes. We will keep learning how to use all of this confidently and safely together. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.